Hello everyone, my name is Jalia from Integral Management Systems. Welcome to this quick tutorial on managing inventory levels in Microsoft Dynamics Business Central. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to efficiently track your inventory, set reorder points, and conduct stock counts. Let's talk about tracking your items. Let's move to inventory. And basically, there are two ways. One is by serial number and other by the lot number. I'll take one of the item which is already assigned with the serial number. You can assign it on the item card and move into item tracking. You can select the item tracking code. Here it's selected for the serial number. So this is the item tracking code card where we have to do some configuration to track. We have to enable certain selections for the serial number as per the requirement to track the item, as well as for the lot number. When you're using a lot number, you need to select these areas whenever and wherever it's applicable to track the item. So let's move to related tab and the history for this item tracking entries. Let's see what are the records. Yeah, you can see 5 quantities available for this item which have been assigned with unique serial numbers for each. So whenever you're doing a purchase, you can assign the serial number, and also you have to use the serial number when you do a sales for the sales order or for the invoice. And let's move to one of the item which has assigned with the lot numbers, and the item code master levels you have to select as I mentioned before according to your requirement for the lot number. And then let's move to related records and item tracking entries. So here we can see there are 1000 quantities available from this item and assigned with the lot number 107001. You can use these items from this lot number when you do a sales, and also you can set more than multiple lot numbers for one item as per the requirement. And next, let's talk about the reorder points, which is an important area to ensure you never run out your stock. Let's move to one of the items and I'll explain how to set the reorder points item. Yep, let's see this one. You need to go to planning tab, and there are few different reordering policies. I'll use the fixed reorder quantity. So you can use the safety quantity as 5 as a safety purposes to make sure you never run out the stock. And you can create the reorder point 20, so whenever the stock drop down to 20, so the reorder quantity level set to 100. So whenever stock drop down to 20, there will be a notification. You can configure it to send to the concerned department to take the process further. And next, let's talk about the stock counts. Stock counts are essential for maintaining accurate inventory records for your company. In Business Central, stock counts are doing through the physical inventory journals. Let's move to physical inventory journals and then move to prepare tab and then click on the calculate inventory. So I'll take the posting date as 31st of August and give a document number, and I will take for all the items. So it will create a list with the quantity calculated, and here you can enter the physical quantity. There is a nice feature available in Business Central. You can use a barcode reader or smart device to count, so you don't want to count and enter manually. So whenever it's scanned from the barcode scanner, automatically adding to the physical inventory journal, we can configure that functionality. So if you count it manually, so let's say on the first item from the Athens desk, we found two of them. So you can see on the right hand side the quantity has been adjusted. It's a positive entry. And then let's see the Paris guest chairs, you found only 20. So you can see there is another entry has been created on the quantity level. So I'll pause this journal and see what are the changes has been happened on the inventory, and let's see how it's recorded in the item ledger entries. I'll pause this document. And now let's quickly move to our inventory. So on the top you can see the Athens desk inventory increased to 2. Before it was 1, and the Paris guest chair, it was decreased by 1, and now it's set to 20. So if we go to this item ledger entries, you can see on the top there is a positive adjustment for one item because it was increased by one quantity. And if you go to Paris guest chair, there should be a negative adjustment. Let's see how it's recorded correctly. Yeah, there's a negative adjustment with -1. It has been decreased. And that's it. In just a few steps, you can manage inventory levels, set reorder points, and conduct stock counts in Microsoft Dynamics Business Central. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. I'll see you in the next video.